Did you know that in almost every corner of Asia, there exists an ancient legend about bamboo, a simple plant that became a symbol of life, wisdom, and the human spirit? From China to Japan, from Vietnam to India and the Philippines, let's explore how each culture gave this humble plant its own sacred story. In ancient China, bamboo was seen as the perfect gentleman, strong yet flexible, hollow yet upright. Poets and scholars admired it for its purity and moral strength. Legends tell of a wise scholar who spent years living in a bamboo grove, studying its way of bending with the wind but never breaking. He wrote, "A noble man should be like bamboo.com, humble and unshaken by storms." From then on, bamboo became a symbol of integrity in Chinese culture, appearing in paintings, poems, and even the philosophy of Confucius himself. In Japan, the most famous bamboo story is the tale of the bamboo cutter. An old man discovered a tiny glowing girl inside a stalk of bamboo. He raised her as his daughter. But one day, she revealed that she came from the moon and returned there, leaving behind only sadness and light. This legend, known as Kaguya-hime, is one of Japan's oldest recorded tales, a story of beauty, loss, and the fleeting nature of life. In Japanese culture, bamboo represents purity and protection, and even today, people place bamboo charms to ward off evil. In Vietnamese legend, Saint Junk, a young boy who never spoke, suddenly grew into a giant warrior when his country was invaded. With an iron horse and a bamboo stick, he drove the enemies away and then flew to heaven. The bamboo he used became a sacred symbol of courage and unity. It reminds people that even the simplest thing, a stalk of bamboo, can hold the power to defend an entire nation. In India, ancient tales say that the god Vishnu created bamboo as a divine bridge between the heavens and the earth. Bamboo is also seen as a symbol of fertility and creation, places where sages meditate and listen to the voice of the gods. Suddenly grew into a giant warrior when his country was invaded. It teaches that growth requires both roots in the earth and aspirations to the sky. According to an old Filipino creation myth, the first man and woman, Malakas and Maganda, were born from a giant bamboo that split open by the sea. When the stalk cracked, light poured out, and from within stepped strength, Malakas, and beauty, Maganda. From them came all humankind. To this day, Filipinos see bamboo as a sign of resilience, grace, and renewal. The soul of a people who can bend with every storm, yet never break. From the mountains of China to the islands of the Pacific, bamboo stands as more than a plant. It is a mirror of the human spirit, strong, flexible, and deeply rooted in the earth. So the next time you see a bamboo grove swaying in the wind, remember, it carries thousands of years of wisdom and the stories of nations who found their strength in its silence. True strength, the ancients said, lies in emptiness.